This 2022 Keystone Bullet 2430BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Keystone is 28 feet 3 inches in length and features one slide-out, a steel interior, sleeps 8, LP detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, water heater, spare tire kit, slide-out, refrigerator, external shower, microwave, TV antenna, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Bullet 2430BH is 5,060 pounds. This 2022 Keystone Bullet 2430BH. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.